A non-local man was shot dead by his co-worker following an argument over wages in Bishnupur district last night. The incident occurred around 8 p.m. at Upokpi Mamanglekai under Bishnupur police station. The deceased have been identified as one Suresh Sahu, 43, son of Ramsan Sahu, while the accused is identified as Shijagurumayum Biren Sharma, 54, son of S.H. Bihari Sharma. Sahu, a construction worker, was originally from Baruni district of Bihar, presently residing at Shantipur Ward No. 2 in Bishnupur, marrying a local woman. Police said Sahu and his co-worker Biren exchanged a heated argument over labor wage yesterday afternoon around 4 p.m. Later around 8 p.m. at night, Biren shot Sahu with a single-barrel shotgun on his chest, severely injuring the latter. Sahu was rushed to Bishnupur District Hospital with profuse bleeding. Later, he succumbed to his injuries around 10 p.m. The accused, Biren, was arrested by the police and a case was registered in connection with the incident.